Hello friends, welcome back to RR Digital. This is Ramarao Gangavarapu. Today we'll discuss what is the difference between Big Data Hadoop and Apache Spark. So this is the question most of the interviews all the companies asking. So I will explain in this session point by point what is the difference between this Apache Hadoop and Apache Spark. Basically Hadoop processing data using a MapReduce. So backend completely to process data, MapReduce is playing key role in big data Hadoop. That's why Hadoop side processing is slow. Coming to Spark, so Spark process the data 100 times faster than big data Hadoop because here in Spark they didn't use MapReduce, and here completely to develop a Spark application inbuilt they used a Scala application, and completely in Spark everything in memory concept. Due to that 100 times faster than MapReduce. And coming to second point, Hadoop basically it will handle only batch processing, but a Spark is designed for batch processing and same time real time processing of data also. So real time means, for example, if any transaction happened or banking sector or ATM or any kind of transactions, so immediately it will update data and it will process. That is called real time processing of data. So that kind of real time processing Hadoop not supporting, but Hadoop is supporting near to real time data. And third point, Hadoop has more lines of code. So whenever you want to develop any kind of logic or some functionality, so you have to write more lines of code because it is written in Java. So it takes more time to execute. But coming to Spark, you have to write only fewer lines of code. So compared to Hadoop, here you have to write less number of lines because Spark is implemented in Scala. So here you have to use a Scala code. Coming to fourth point, Hadoop is cheaper option available comparing in terms of cost. So cost wise, Hadoop you no need to put more cost, but Spark completely it is run in memory. So lot of RAM we have to purchase. So Spark requires lot of memory to run in memory. So due to that reason, it will increase the cost. And coming to fifth point, so basically Hadoop is supporting Java and Python for MapReduce application. So if you want to develop a MapReduce programs backend, you can use Java. So using Java, you can implement MapReduce. Same time using Python also you can develop MapReduce programs. In Spark, basically it is supporting different languages. So Java it is supporting, R it is supporting, Scala, Python, and Spark SQL or other APIs. So here it is supporting many languages, but Spark they used basically Scala to develop a Spark framework. So most of the real-time projects they are using a Scala only to develop or to do in projects. So most of the projects Scala only they are using, but still Python also few projects they are using in Apache Spark. And coming to sixth point, Yarn is the most common option for resource management. So once you develop your application in Big Data Hadoop, okay, so to schedule, so to manage resources in cluster, here we have to use Yarn in Hadoop. But a Spark contains inbuilt tools to manage resources. And coming to seventh point, to schedule jobs. Okay, so any kind of Hadoop jobs, if you want to schedule, you have to use external job schedulers like Wooji. So most of the projects they are using external job scheduler Wooji in Hadoop projects. So Spark, no external job required. Everything your Spark internal job scheduler is there. So that is in-memory computation. It will take care. And Hadoop it is completely highly secure, and Spark compared to Hadoop less secured. So these all are the differences between Hadoop and Apache Spark. Who all are not yet subscribed our YouTube channel, please subscribe and support us. Thanks for watching this video. Bye friends.